Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little small hodgepodge haul from a couple places. This first one, of course, is from the Dollar Tree. I just picked up two more of those little gold foiled sentiment stickers, 134 count, of course, $1 each because they're from the Dollar Tree. So this is just great to have or to share. And then I went to Tuesday morning. I only got couple little sticker sets, wood veneer sticker sets, and this is a faith one for $1.69. It says the future is bright, enjoy the little things, life is beautiful, there's sunshine in my soul today, never stop dreaming, live, love, laugh. And that was $1.69, and it was 1986551. And of course the last two digits is the only one that changes, and this one is 52. Oh, you know what? I got two of those. I didn't realize I had two of those. This one is another faith one. This one's called Hope, and the last two digits on this one is 52. And it says faith, hope, and love. Count your blessings. Live with purpose. Miracles happen every day. A leap of faith never fails. I think that's what it says. Yeah, fails. And then this one is 53. Better together. Love, family. Enjoy the little things. You are amazing. Memories. Us, it's a bird, and the good life. So I got those. That was it from Tuesday morning. Then I went to AC Moore. Just got a couple of things on clearance from AC Moore. Just got these little block stamps. They were on sale for $1. And this one too. The thimble. So they're just like the little small wood stamps you get at Michael's. So I just got some Love Nicole florals. These are all $1. Everything I got was $1. I got black, and I got the rolled ones. These are mixed red ones, and the mixed rolled red ones. And then I got some Inkadinkado stamps, and these also were $1. One for me, one to share, and then another one. Then I went to Hobby Lobby, and from Hobby Lobby, I just got some bling bling, and of course they were 50% off of $3, so it was $1.50 each. I got the clear, the gold, and the red, and they have the same design. I picked that up for someone. That was the only one they had. They didn't have the other one, and they only had one of this. And they were 30% off. And then I got this also, and I got this with the 40% off. And this is Authentic Life Cards, the Fabulous collection. I have Authentic. I have the paper pad and the stickers. I just didn't have any cards to go along because I'm going to make a mini album. And I thought this would be great to put in there with it. So got that. And then I went to Michael's. And the last couple things I got from Michael's, I got two of these on clearance. The trim, which is a gold and white. Fun fur trim for $1.49, and then they had the paper on sale, and the paper was 3 for $10 or something, like 4 for $10 or whatever. And I just got the red because I just love the red. It's hard to keep red except for the winter time, so on time you see red. And I actually got 3 packs, and one of them missing, and I can't find it, but they charged me for it. And it was the rose gold. So this is the gold, the silver, and I had the rose gold. And of course I had a 50% off coupon on that. And I believe that is everything. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.